Hello everyone, this is Sakshi and today I'm going to teach you how to edit a video on VN Editor app. This app is really easy to use and this tutorial is also really easy. So let's get into the video. So first you have to open the VN app, then click on default, then project, then click on add button, then add the clips you want, and then click on next, then delete the last clip which is empty, and then click on add between the clips and add the transition you want, and then click on the video and trim it, and then click on the original and select 9:16, and then click on separate clips and click on 9:16 ratio, then add music button, then you can add music, and on music button you can add sound effects and as well you can record, and then on recording you can record your voice over the clips, and then you can add text by click on T button, and then there are different kind of text, and then you can add text of your own by clicking on the T button, and then click on the text you have added, then you can select the size and you can select the motion on clicking on the motion button, and then you can click select the font as well, and then you can select the font color. Then click on a clip and select filter button, and then you can select already curated filters for you, or you can click on adjust and adjust the contrast, saturation, vibrance. So basically you can color edit. Click on the arrow button to see the final edit of your video. This is the final edit of this video. If you like this tutorial, then please hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.